Hi everyone, this is Jennifer, and right here I'm prepping the canvas. We actually going to have a black negative space for this canvas. This is actually a contest winner painting, and he picked the colors, which he wanted different greens, copper, with a black background. So right here I'm just laying down the different colors that we chose, which was multiple greens and a copper color. And then once I have the paint laid down, I'm going to go ahead and swipe over the painting to give the effect. There's some really pretty greens that he picked out. I really loved how it turned out, as you will see later in the video. So I do just swipe over with the Floetrol, the Australian Floetrol, to give the effects. And I call it the swipe technique. There could be another name for it, of course. So I'm going to do another swipe here. And then I'm also going to add just a little bit more copper to the painting before I actually stretch the painting. I really love how this painting turned out. Each painting is different and unique, but I love the colors, especially that green. I believe that was a pale green, and that's really, really pretty. So I'm just adding a little bit more black paint before I actually stretch it. I added a little bit more green. All right. And of course, some more copper. Want to make sure the painting has some colors. The colors come through because it is a black negative space. I'm just going to pop the air bubbles, and then at this point I'm starting to stretch it. That's so pretty, especially that pale green, and it is really, really pretty. So me, sometimes I stand there, take a minute to reflect and see what I can do different, if I can add a little something to it or stretch it a little more. It just depends. Sometimes I have to add a little bit more paint just to give it some more contrast, and then figure out which way I want to stretch it. This really turned out really nice, and the client was really happy. And this is the finished piece right here. Thank you for watching.